Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a Python compiler in C is a complex task, and writing a comprehensive tutorial here would be impractical due to the length constraints. However, I can provide you with a simplified outline and a basic code snippet to help you get started. Note that building a complete Python compiler requires a deep understanding of both Python and C, as well as compiler design principles. Here's a high-level overview of the process. Understand Python's grammar and syntax. This involves studying the official Python language reference, https://docs.python.org/3/reference/grammar.html, to identify the language's rules. Create a lexer to tokenize the input Python code into a sequence of tokens. This involves defining regular expressions for keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, etc. Build a parser to analyze the structure of the code based on the tokens produced by the lexer. Use a parsing technique, such as recursive descent or a parser generator like Bison or yacc. Construct an abstract syntax tree to represent the hierarchical structure of the Python code. Each node in the tree corresponds to a syntactic element in the code. Implement semantic analysis to check for language-specific rules and ensure the code's correctness. This may include type checking, scope resolution, and other validations. Translate the AST into an intermediate representation, which is a lower-level, platform-independent code that retains the original code's meaning. Optimize the intermediate code for performance improvements. Translate the optimized intermediate code into machine code or another target language. This step is highly dependent on your target platform. Link the generated code with libraries and other necessary components to produce the final executable. Thoroughly test your compiler with a variety of Python code to ensure correctness and performance. This is an extremely simplified example and doesn't cover many aspects of a real Python compiler. To create a fully functional Python compiler, you'll need to delve much deeper into each of the outlined steps and implement additional features. Consider referring to compiler design books and resources for a more in-depth understanding. ChatGPT.